Hello everyone, welcome back in this channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to discuss on how to change the font color of a cell entry in Microsoft Excel. So you're going to do it practically. You can follow my pointer. So the first thing I'm going to open on Microsoft Excel, and basically we change the color of a cell entry, maybe to emphasize on that content in that cell or to make it more visible. So I'll go direct to the point. For example, I want to change the color of this cell. This is cell A1. This is because at the row it is at A, but at the column it is at 1. So the first thing to do is to make the cell active by left clicking once on that cell. So make the cell active. As you can see here, I've left clicked once. So there is a green color at the perimeter of this cell, meaning that I've made this cell active. So the next thing to do is to click on the font color button arrow. So you can follow my pointer. This is the font color button arrow. So you're going to left click once, and definitely it is going to open this font color gallery with different types of colors, from theme colors to standard colors. So as I point out to various colors, you can see a live preview of the changes in colors. Let me point out to standard colors. So I prefer using standard colors because they are more visible. For instance, I want to change it to green. So what I'm going to do is just left click once, and definitely I've changed that font color from black to green. So we can still do another one. So for example, you want to change the color. You want to change the color of cell C1. This is because at the row it is at C, and then at the column it is at 1. So this is cell C1. So what you're going to do is to left click once to make the cell active. As you can see, there is a green color region at the perimeter of this cell, meaning that you have made the cell active. So the next thing to do is to click on the font color button arrow. So you can follow my pointer. This is the font color button arrow. So I'm going to left click once, and then it is going to open a menu of font color. So there are different colors. So as I point out to various colors, you can see a live preview of the changes in colors. So this time maybe I can try using a blue. So I'm going to left click on blue. Definitely you can see there is a change in color from black to blue at this cell C1. So a question may arise on how can I remove the color. So what you can do is there are two methods on removing the previous color. So for example, if you want to remove this color that you have made previously on cell C1, so the first thing to do is to make the cell active, ensure that the cell is active, and this is how you know that your cell is active. You can see there is a green color at the perimeter of this cell, meaning that this cell is active. So the next thing to do is to click on the undo button. So you can use the undo button to remove that color. So you can follow my pointer. This is the undo button. As up here, you can see. So I'm going to left click once, and definitely I'll remove that color from blue to its original color, which was black. So the next way to remove that color, you can follow my pointer. You can see this time it is blue. So the next step that the next way that you can use to remove that color, it is click on the font color button arrow again. Click on the font color button again. You can see there is it displays a font color gallery. Then you're going to click on automatic. As you can see here, there is an area written automatic. So I'm going to left click once, and definitely I'll change that color back to its original color, which was black. So basically those are two methods in which you can remove the color that you had colored previously. So you're going to do one more last illustration on how to change the font color in a cell entry that is in Microsoft Excel. So you're going to change the color of this cell. This is D1, which is biology. D1. This is because at the row it is at D, but at the column it is at 1. So what you're supposed to do is ensure that the cell is active by left clicking once. As you can see, there is a green color region at the perimeter of this cell, meaning that that cell is active. So then you're going to left click on the font color button arrow. You're going to left click once, and then it is going to display a font color gallery whereby there are different colors. At this time, maybe I can try using red. So I'm going to left click on red. As you can see now, I've changed the color from black to red. So basically that is how you change the font, that is how you change the color of a font color in a cell entry, that is Microsoft Excel. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and if you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe, comment, share, like, and also hit on the notification bell so that you'll always be notified